The scratch guards that I have fitted, as you can see, the transparent scratch guard has been fitted in this way, this particular areas, and it is totally transparent, and I think it's much better than those bulky stoppers that we get in the market. I have given the areas which are more prone to heat to these areas. The lower area, okay, and in the back door also corners and the bumper corners. It looks transparent and doesn't make the car clumsy. I recommend fitting these transparent scratch guards. These are the front bumpers. These are the front bumpers, and finally the mirror sections. As I told you already, my garage is very small and I definitely require this type of scratch guards, as it hits the wall once I open the mirror.
Back door.
The other doors also same, this side also. This side also. And the wing mirrors. Okay, so in this way you can easily install your own scratch guards, simply procuring them from Amazon, and I will give you the links how you can and simply I will give you the links from where you can easily procure this transparent scratch guard and install in your car. So thank you very much.